traffic. Traffic. It's all traffic in the morning. See that traffic, guys? You see that? Oh my gulay.
No traffic out today.
Yeah. What can you say about the traffic, Daddy?
I say if there were less scooters in this country, we'd be better off. Except I'm riding a scooter.
Yeah.
I'm not on a scooter, I'm on a motorcycle.
Yeah. Oh my gulay.
We haven't moved in a while.
Yeah.
And it's early in the morning. What time is it? 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock maybe.
Traffic should be moving right along. There should be
Moving a little and then traffic again, stop. Then a little bit more, moving, and then stop.
somebody will come around.
You can go around there. You don't want?
No, because everybody's crazy.
Moving a little again. I thought you won't.
Well, I'm going to do this.
Now we're moving a little. A little.
Outside.
My God, look at the traffic there.
It does shut.
Yeah.
I think it was broke down or something.
Oh, yeah, maybe. It's not moving, right?
It's moving now. They're just charging everywhere. And breathe in the fumes, baby. Breathe in the fumes.
Always traffic here anyway in Santa Ana, so you know you'll be lucky if there's no traffic one day, you know.
Starting to get open a little bit here.
Moving a little.
Got the guy right here, he just went,
Yeah,
you don't think about it.
that's the one that caused traffic.
I know.
Golly, my golly, wow.
I got it well.
Yeah,
Where do you want to go to?
right there.
In here?
No, maybe right there at the near Seymour.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you don't have to stop here and then. Still traffic here, guys. It's only 8 o'clock. Anyway, school.
Jollibee ain't got no traffic.
Yeah.
That's what I do. I park at Jollibee.
Okay.
You walk.
Yeah. I can do that. If there's a space there, you can, yeah, you can park there, right?
Yeah, there's a place.